welcome to this one-page funnel review. All right, so this one-page funnel system is a $7 system. That means that you only register with $7 one time. There are no monthly fees. Do you get that? So this is one of the lowest cost online business out there. And I'm going to explain how this system can really make you a boatload of money. All right. So first of all, I'm going to take you to our Facebook group so that you can see how others are doing well with this system. All right. So this is our Facebook group. And as you can see, we are over 2.3, that is over 2,000 members. Right now, let's check what some of the members are saying about this program. You can see new people are joining every day. Look at that. And then let's look at this. Okay, you can see Kemit said, I just joined the one-page funnel system. So many people are joining. And you can see Christy have been making a lot of commissions with the one-page funnel. A lot. Can you see? That's a lot of commissions, guys. It's powerful. Let's check more people. Look at Danny. Danny made $81. Can you see that? Let's check another person. This is Ratnaka. Ratnaka got what we call a high ticket sale. He made a commission of $500 in high ticket. And you can see already how much he has made already so far with this $7 program. Look at that, $1,798. Let's just check some other people. Let's look at this person. Okay, Carlos made a sale. And who again is here? Let's look for more people that made sales. This is Danny, where he got $7, and then he has already made one big amount of money also. Didn't you see that? Edward, he made a sale. Look at Michael. Michael has already made $119. And remember, this program is just a $7 program. So this is powerful. So when you start an online business, you can really make some good amount of money online. Let me show you some of the commissions that I have made online right now. Now, where's this commission? Look at that. Oops. So many errors in the system right now. So let it load. Now look at that. Can you imagine all this time making all these commissions online? $421. Look at that, $1,027. This is a 1,500 bucks. Check some more, $1,004. And then you have how much is this? $359, 317. Then you have a $600 commission. Now, I'm not the only one making money online. Let me show you some other people. Now, these people made a lot of money with the one-page funnel system. Look at Jane Maria. She made $2,844. Then we have Rebecca, who has made over $1,000 with this system. We have Mr. Jeremy. He has made over $1,166. And you can see what he said. He said he earned this from a $7 system. Is that not powerful? Very, very powerful. But let's check another person. This is Hansi. Hansi made a high ticket sale of $1,200. And remember, this is just a $7 system. It's powerful, right? Now, but let's check some more people. This is Mitch. Mitch made over $3,000, guys. 3,000 bucks. So now, so you'll be asking yourself, how come a $7 system can just make you money? Right? Especially when you are just paying only one time. There is no monthly fees. Now let's go to my notes quickly. All right, so what is this one-page funnel system? This is a $7 done for you CPA marketing system. And look, the reason people are making a lot of money with this system is because it is a CPA marketing system. And I'm going to explain what is CPA means to, especially for those of you who are brand new or you are just seeing this video for the first time. So CPA marketing means cost per action marketing. This is a performance-based advertising model where a business pay you for a specific customer action, right? So when you join the one-page funnel system where you only pay $7 one time, you are going to get a link, okay? Now, all you need to do is to share your link, whether you share it on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. So you want to share your link. And once you share your link, you are going to get visitors coming to your link. Now, that is all you have to do, nothing more. Now, the next step, you are going to notice the system takes over and it starts promoting multiple CPA offers to your visitors, right? And then if any of them buy any of those products, then you will make a commission. So you can make commissions as low as $5 to as high as even over $900, guys. It's powerful. It's really, really powerful. And like I said, everything is done for you. Your only work, your only thing you need to do, you join the system, pay your $7, get your link, share your link. That's all. So if you want to get started with the one-page funnel system right now, just go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Then go to the first link that says step 1. Join the one-page funnel system. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now, once you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. So all you want to do, just enter your first name here, enter your best email address here, and then you see the yellow button that says give me access now. Click that yellow button and you will be once you click the yellow button, then you pay your $7 one-time payment. You will be part of the one-page funnel system. Guys, this is so simple, right? So you just pay your $7, get access to the system, get your link, and share your link. That's all, right? It's so easy. So if you have questions concerning the one-page funnel system, any question, just leave it in the comment below, okay? And if you like this video, please click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.